Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Preauth Play Integrity Verification Failed error you might see when trying to use the ChatGPT app on Android. This issue usually happens due to Play Protect, rooted devices, or security mismatches. Let's go through the steps to fix it. First, make sure your device is not rooted. ChatGPT uses Play Integrity to ensure the app is being used on a secure, unmodified Android device. If your phone is rooted or running a custom ROM, that's likely the issue, and unfortunately, the app won't work on those setups. If your phone is not rooted, let's try the following. Step 1. Go to the Play Store, tap your profile, then go to Play Protect Masno. Then, Settings, and make sure both options are enabled. Scan apps with Play Protect and improve harmful app detection. Step 2. Make sure you're running the latest version of the ChatGPT app. Go to the Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and update if needed. Step 3. Clear app cache and storage. Go to Settings, Apps, ChatGPT, Storage, and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 4. Restart your phone and try opening the app again. If you're still getting the error, uninstall ChatGPT and then reinstall it directly from the Play Store. And if none of this works, you may need to wait for an official update or contact OpenAI support, especially if the issue is on their side. That's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the Play Integrity error on ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future fixes. Leave a comment if you're stuck. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching.